Wondering where the thank you URL is in AWeber? You're not alone. This setting isn't exactly front and center. But stick around, because I'll show you exactly where to find it, how it works, and why it's important. And at the end, if you're looking for a better alternative, I'll share one that gives you even more control over your subscriber journey. So, let's get straight to it. In AWeber, the thank you URL is the page your subscribers see after they opt into your email list. If you're using a double opt-in, this is where they confirm their email. If it's a single opt-in, it's just a confirmation page. Now, where do you actually find it? Go to your AWeber dashboard, select your list, and navigate to List Settings under the List options. From there, click on Confirmation Message and scroll down. This is where you'll find the default thank you page settings. If you want to use a custom thank you URL, you'll need to manually input it here. Next thing, asterisk asterisk, why does this matter? Asterisk asterisk, because the default AWeber page isn't really optimized. It's just a basic confirmation message. If you're running a business, you probably want to redirect subscribers to a more engaging page, maybe a special offer, a freebie, or a personalized message. Now, a limitation, AWeber doesn't let you set different thank you pages for different sign-up forms inside the same list. This means if you're collecting leads from multiple sources, they all get the same generic page. Competitors like ActiveCampaign and ConvertKit actually let you customize thank you pages per form, which gives you more flexibility in segmenting your audience. Another issue, asterisk asterisk limited design customization, asterisk asterisk even if you use AWeber's hosted thank you page, it's pretty bare bones. No branding, no real engagement tools, just a simple confirmation. If you're serious about building a high-converting funnel, this can feel restrictive. That brings me to the alternative. The tools I mentioned, AWeber, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, they all work. But after trying them all, I found one that's far better for setting up optimized thank you pages with full customization, deep integrations, and better automation options. If you want a stronger alternative for managing your subscriber journey, check the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive free trial with extra benefits only available to our viewers.